Our innovative cordless lift and lock system is a smart, easy, safe, and stylish complement to the beautiful Honeycomb top-down, bottom-up shade. Featuring the energy-efficient Honeycomb design and a dual rail structure that allows you to lower your shade from the top as well as raise it from the bottom. To raise the shade from the bottom, release the moving rail lock mechanism by pushing the button. Position the moving rail with ease precisely where you want it. Release the button and the moving rail instantly locks into place. To lower the shade from the top, disengage the lock on the shade's moving rail, position where you like, and release the lock. The top-down, bottom-up lets you enjoy natural light from the top of the window while still maintaining privacy. And with our innovative cordless lift and lock, the shade's interior cords are on the outside edge of the shade, providing an unobstructed view. This product has been certified as best for kids.